guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. We are doing an eyeshadow tutorial. So now I'm gonna start off with basing my eyelids with an LA Girl Pro Concealer. I bought it at Dischem for around it was around 60-70 rand. I'll leave everything in the description box below, all the products that I'll be using in this tutorial and where I got them and also for how much. So now I'm taking in my beauty blender. I'm blending my concealer. You can use an eyeshadow base if you don't want to use a concealer, or you can use the white one because this one is cream white. When I got this one, I was actually looking for a white concealer, so I would advise for you to use a white concealer because it helps your eyeshadows to pop out. So yeah, continue using that. So I was blended all that in both of my eyelids with a beauty blender. Continue blending until all is set. So now these are the brushes that I'll be using for this tutorial. Another is an eyeshadow, another eyeshadow palette, all from Signature. So I'm using both of them from Signature, and I got them for around 60 rand, and again it also depends on where the store is located. So I started off with the brown one. I don't know what that video is, and then now I'm blending the brown with the orange. So I'd advise you to first blend the brown a bit and then you put the orange a bit on top so that it blends well and gives that eyebrow the eyebrow look. So also do note that it takes time to blend out all these colors, so you really need to be patient, and also it depends on how pigmented they are, and also depends on the brushes that you are using. So do take your time blending your products in on your skin and be patient. So I continued blending until I was satisfied with my orange color. I used orange for that part. I went on with my brown color again just to mix it up a bit with my orange color so that it can have that amber look like I said earlier. So I continue blending towards the inside part of your eyelid, but do not cover that middle part, because for this tutorial I am doing a lazy cut crease. So I'm not going to cut the crease per se, but it's a lazy cut crease, so the end result looks like I did a cut crease, but I actually didn't. So they call it lazy cut crease. So I continue blending now with the orange at the end of my eye, blending in with the brown. Now that's another concealer eyeshadow palette, that I'll be using for this tutorial. So from that palette I'll be taking yellow, and I also got that palette from I'll be taking white, and I also got that palette from Signature. So I'm going to use another brush to pat the white color. It was white, but not in a way that I wanted because it was shiny, it had glitters. So yeah, I had to use what I had. So now I was blending the brown color with the white one. So when you're blending where the brown color is, you just make sure that you don't press it too hard. You just let your hand a little bit light, and then you blend out everything, so that it can have that amber look. That's the magic behind today's tutorial, eyeshadow tutorial. So you continue. Now when you are putting your white color, you don't put it towards the end of your eye. You put it where you like in the middle, where you would usually cut your crease. You put it in the middle, and then you take the lighter brush that had nothing, and then you brush off the white color. Now this is the outcome of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and I would really appreciate that you do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you.